So this question says that we have two functions, f of x and g of x, and they're saying solve f inverse of x equals to g of fx. So we're doing two things in one question. We're finding the inverse and we're finding the composite function as well. So let's begin with finding the inverse. So f of x is given as 1 over 2x. So you begin with replacing f of x with y. So y equals to 1 over 2x. Right now, y is the subject of the equation. So to find the inverse, we have to make x the subject. So to make x the subject, I'm going to get rid of the fraction on the right-hand side by cross-multiplying 2 with y. So 2y equals to x. Now, as you can see, x is the subject, not y. So next step is to replace x with f inverse x and y with x. So this is your inverse of f of x. Now let's move on to the composite function. So they're asking us to find g of fx. G of fx means we're going to replace the domain of x, the function f of x. So this is your domain now. And that means that x will become 1 over 2x. And this will be 1 over 2x whole squared. So that gives us 1 over 2x minus 1 over 4x squared. We square the variable and the numbers. So they're saying solve when the inverse and the composite function are equal. So 2x equals to 1 over 2x minus 1 over 4x squared. So get rid of the fraction by multiplying the entire thing by 4. That's going to be 8x equals to 2x minus x squared. X squared minus 2x plus 8x equal to 0. That's x squared plus 6x. Factorize it by taking x common, so x plus 6 times x. So one value of x is 0 and the other is -6. This is your answer.